Hello. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get The Sims 4 on your phone, guys. Wild as it can be sound, no one knows, but it is true. There is a Sims 4 mobile edition, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get The Sims 4 mobile, guys, onto your device. This is super cool, and it is actually like real. Like, people out there are like, oh, well, I need a PC, and I need a computer, and I need all this shit. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Sims 4 completely for free on your device. So let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So let's get into the tutorial. So basically what we need to do is go over to this site. It's called Zoo Mods, and it has tons of mods for apps and games. So once you're on this site, basically we're just going to go over to the search bar and type in Sims 4, and as you can see, it says Sims 4 mod. So we're going to download it. So if you have a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, because if you go to the App Store, guys, and you type in Sims 4, you're going to see how expensive it is. So as you can see, guys, there is no Sims 4 on here, so if you do want to download it, guys, you do have to go to the Zoo Mods, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It fully works and it's super cool. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, it's super cool, guys. It's like fully updated, stuff like that. So those of you out there with like, I don't want to play it because I'm on a PC, well, there's actually another way to play it, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. It's like fully updated and stuff like that. So I'm gonna see you guys in a future video, and yeah, enjoy it, guys.